Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the iPhone is on, unlocked, and has at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, make sure you know your Apple ID or device passcode because the system may ask for it. Now open Settings and tap Face ID and passcode to begin. This screen controls biometric options. It's where you can disable Face ID for specific features or entirely. Doing this first step sets up safe access to the options you'll change next. Once in Face ID and passcode, you'll see toggles for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Wallet and Password Auto-Fill. Turn off each feature you want to stop using Face ID. If you prefer removing biometrics entirely, tap Reset Face ID to delete stored facial data. This clears the model from the device. Make sure to authenticate with your passcode when prompted, because that confirms it's you. After resetting or toggling, the phone will require passcode or alternate sign-in methods going forward. To finish, double-check that all Face ID toggles are off and then restart your device to apply changes. Restarting prevents residual behavior. If you want Face ID back later, go to Set up Face ID and follow the guided scans. If disabling didn't work or the phone still prompts for Face ID, make sure iOS is up to date. Then try Reset All Settings. This preserves data but clears system settings. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-level issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.